Hi, my name is Benjamin Werner. I'm the developer of the YouTube Center, and in the next videos I want to show you what the YouTube Center can do for you. First of all, I want to show you the different parts of the software. So let's start. We start with our upload page. Here you can see all the uploads that are currently in progress. At the moment, it is blank. Here you can find all your playlists or all your videos you uploaded so far to your channel. Here you can read or reply to all your comments. At this page, you can manage your channels and edit them. Last but not least, the settings page. Let's go back to templates. Let's create a new one. Just type in a new name. Potato Thriller. It is a real funny, trashy game on Steam. Here you can type in your video title, but we leave it blank for the moment. Let's add a category, gaming for sure. We don't need a playlist. Let's type in our description. Welcome to my new video of Potato Thriller. So, here I want to show you a real cool feature that's called text blocks. You can reuse texts you often use for your descriptions. Let's add the hello world and add maybe the credits of the video. Now we want to see the preview. Oh, everything's there. Real cool. Let's add some tags. Potato Thriller. Very creative. Okay. Let's have a look at the video settings. Everything's fine here, but the language is in German. Alright. Go to the files. First of all, we add a thumbnail. Now a video called It Comes Out of Hell 1. Okay, go back to the video title, and here we have the next cool feature. You can tell the YouTube Center, please read out the file name and make a title out of that. Alright, you can see the preview, It Comes Out of Hell. We add a pipe and an episode number. Alright, let's play Potato Thriller. Alright, if we change the file name to It Comes 2 times out of hell, you can see the software isn't irritated if there is a number in the title. That's everything. We are ready for upload. Let's have a look. Everything is fine. Very fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope we see you in the next video. Bye.